The videos I make with a lot of effort, and a lot of passion for natural health. I would really appreciate it if you like this video or subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Researchers have conducted a variety of studies on natural approaches to treating Helicobacter pylori infections. 8 possible natural treatments include: 1. Honey. People with Helicobacter pylori infections may find some natural treatments beneficial. Honey is known for its antibacterial properties and people have used it as a medicine since ancient times. One study showed that Manuka honey suppressed the growth of H. pylori in gastric epithelial cells. Other studies have shown that honey has other anti-Helicobacter pylori, but more animal studies and clinical trials are needed to assess the efficacy of honey as a complementary or alternative treatment. 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is an herbal remedy used to treat a variety of ailments, including constipation, detox, digestive health, wound healing. In one study, the gel inside the leaves of an aloe vera plant was effective at both inhibiting the growth and killing strains of Helicobacter pylori, even those that were drug-resistant in a laboratory setting. This suggests that aloe vera might be effective against H. pylori infection when used in combination with antibiotics. 3. Broccoli sprout. Sulforaphane, a compound found abundantly in broccoli sprouts, has been shown to kill Helicobacter pylori. Studies conducted both in test tubes and in animal and human subjects have shown the favorable effects of sulforaphane, trusted source against H. pylori bacteria. Broccoli sprout also decreased gastric inflammation in mice infected with Helicobacter pylori. 4. Milk. Lactoferrin, a glycoprotein found in both human and cow's milk, has shown inhibitory activity against H. pylori. One study used a combination of antibiotics and lactoferrin from cow's milk, resulting in a 100% H. pylori eradication rate in 150 affected people. Also, a compound called melanoidin appears to inhibit the growth of H. pylori bacteria. Melanoidin is a compound formed by a chemical reaction between the sugar lactose and a protein called casein in milk and milk products. Research has shown that melanoidin suppresses trusted source H. pylori colonization in both mice and humans. 5. Lemongrass oil. People should not ingest essential oils. Instead, they can inhale them and use them as part of an aromatherapy approach. Based on human and animal studies, lemongrass essential oil inhibits the growth of H. pylori. In a mouse study from trusted source, the colonization density of H. pylori in the stomach was significantly reduced compared to mice not treated with lemongrass oil. 6. Green tea. Green tea is one of the healthiest and most consumed beverages in the world. It contains many antioxidants and nutrients. In an animal study, green tea decreased both the number of bacteria and the inflammation score of mice infected with H. pylori. However, the researchers found that mice given green tea before infection did better. 7. Probiotics. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, probiotics are live microorganisms that offer health benefits to people. Interest in probiotics as a treatment for H. pylori is increasing. 8. Phototherapy. Research suggests that the H. pylori bacteria is sensitive to ultraviolet light. During phototherapy, an ultraviolet light source illuminates the entire stomach. Phototherapy has been shown to significantly reduce the number of bacteria in the stomach. However, the bacteria will repopulate a few days after lighting. While phototherapy isn't a complete solution, it may have the potential to become an effective treatment for H. pylori, particularly for people who can't take antibiotics. When to see a doctor. Nausea can be a symptom of H. pylori infections. Many people have H. pylori in their bodies throughout their lives and never have symptoms. Doctors do not routinely test for H. pylori. It is essential to obtain a correct diagnosis to receive the appropriate treatment. Symptoms of H. pylori infection can include abdominal pain, burning in the abdomen, swelling, nausea, reflux, loss of appetite. Anyone who is concerned about the symptoms should contact their doctor. Do not replace antibiotic treatments for H. pylori with natural treatments without consulting a doctor.